Good morning, students. This one is the second session of chapter Time. So let us begin our class. Students, you can see here that this clock is divided into 12 equal units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 units. Okay. And each of the 12 units is divided into 5 units called minutes. So look here. Each unit is divided into 5 equal units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and again 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Similarly 20, then 25, then 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, then 35, then 40, 45, 50 and 55 and in the last it will be 60. These all are tables of 5. You can see here when the minute hand is at 1, okay, it will be 5 minutes. It will be 5 minutes. 5 1 ja 5. When it will be on 2, then it will be 5 2 ja 10 minutes. When it will be on 3, then 5 3 ja 15 minutes. Let us suppose it is there on this point. Okay, this point, second point. So what will be the timing in minutes? I am asking only about minutes. Later we will talk about hours. Okay, so we can see here it is written 5 and 5 5s are 25. Okay, and after 25 two more points are there. It means 26 and this one is 27. It means 27 minutes. One more example. Consider this point. Wait. Single point we will take. Yes, consider this point. Okay. So first we will check this 8. 5 8 5 8 40. Okay, and after 40 how many points are more? 1 2. It means 41 and 42. It means it will be 42 minutes. Okay, so whenever this minute hand, this bigger hand, longer hand, okay, will be, when this longer hand will be at 9, let us suppose this longer hand will be at 9, okay, then what will be the time in minutes? 45 minutes. Students, note down this in your notebook. A clock can be divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each part is called a quarter. Look at the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12. At these numbers only we can divide the clock into 4 equal parts. And each part is of 15 minutes. You can see here 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 are 15. It means each part consists 15 minutes. So total 15, 15, 30, 45 and 40, total 60 minutes. Okay. When the minute hand is at 12, we can say the time as o'clock. In the given figure, the minute hand and hour hand both are at 12, so the time will be 12 o'clock. Note down this in your notebook. When the minute hand is at 3, we can say it as quarter past or 15 minutes past. So, in the given clock, the timing is quarter past 12. Note down this in your notebook. When the minute hand is at 6, the timing will be half past. So, in the given clock, we can say the time is half past 12 or 30 minutes past 12. Note down this also in your notebook. When the minute hand is at 9, the time is quarter 2. So, in the given clock, the timing is quarter to 12. Now, students, I would like to explain here that why we will write here quarter 2. I have already told you that quarter means 15 minutes. Okay. And quarter to 12 means 15 minutes left for 12. We can also say it as time is 11:45. 9 5s are 45. 11:45. Okay, it means 15 minutes are left for 12. Now, we can understand this by one daily life example. Okay, let us suppose you are going to school. You are not in the school. You are going to a school. It means you are in the way or you are about to reach. Okay, but you are not in the school. 2 means you are just in the way. Okay, so quarter 2 means you are not exactly at 12. You are about to reach 12. It means quarter to 12. Note down this also in your notebook. Now let us summarize this through few examples. 1 o'clock, quarter past 1, 1:15, half past 1, 1:30, quarter to 2, 1:45, 2 o'clock, quarter past 2, 2:15, half past 2, 2:30, quarter to 3, 2:45, 3 o'clock. Then quarter past 3, 3:15. Again half past 3, 3:30. Quarter to 4. Now let us solve exercise 9.1. Question number 1. Write the time shown in figures and words. Look at figure number A. In this clock, the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is just little bit apart from 3 and going towards 4. So we can say the timing is quarter past 3. Let us see question number B. Here the minute hand is at 10. So it will be 10 5s are 50. And the hour hand is about to reach 7. It is not at 7. It is about to reach 7. It means now it is 6 only. We will consider it as 6 only. So we can say it as 6:50 or 10 minutes to 7. We can also say it as 50 minutes past 6. Okay. Now question number C and D. You all will do yourself in your notebook. Let us discuss question number 2. Draw hands to indicate the time and also write the time in figures. So, first question is quarter to 7. Quarter to means the minute hand will be at 9. And 7 means it will be not on 7. It will be just back of 7. It means it is about to reach 7. Okay. So the finally minute hand will be at 9 and our hand will be little bit back from 7. So look at this figure. You will draw like this. Quarter to 7. That is 6:45. Do these all questions in your book only. Draw the hands of the clocks. Thank you, children, and do your studies sincerely.